Okay, in today's video, we're going to be doing an activity from Chapter 3 in System Utilities. The activity we'll be covering is Activity 3-2, Configuring Hardware. The Hardware and Sound category of the control panel lets you configure many hardware and sound characteristics. However, this category is not used to configure device drivers for hardware. In this activity, you will configure autoplay and sound. This activity can be found in the book on page 109. To get started on this activity, we're going to go to the Start menu, Control Panel, and first thing I want to show you about the Control Panel is the different view by which we can look at it. We can see the other categories, what we can do by groups, or we can do large icons like this, where we can see all of the groups expanded. In this activity, we end up just sticking with the categories area. And the first instructions tell us to go to hardware and sound in this area, and then they want us to go look at the devices and printers. And notice that our computer exists in here. This one here is called Student PC. In the instructions, it indicates that you will be user X PC, as though your computer will have a number. In the actual lab you will, but on the videos you make, it will probably just be the computer you're using. Go ahead and go back out of that. In this activity, you're going to click here on autoplay, and you're going to choose what to happen when a CD goes in. So for example, this one's already been chosen to have an audio CD put in there. When an audio CD is put in, we're going to use the media player. If we had other options, we could choose other options, but this version of Windows that I have installed has very little on it. I'm also going to add right here, put as a DVD. We're going to say we want to use media player also, and then we're going to save it and go completely out of this. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a DVD and see what happens. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put in an audio CD. So I just entered the audio CD in there, and we'll see. I'm going to show you that it should automatically pull up Windows Media Player and then begin to play the music. And you can't hear the music right now, but it's playing. And there you go. It begins playing. I'm going to go ahead and go out of that one. And I'm going to go ahead and eject that CD. And I'm going to put in a DVD, and we'll see what program automatically opens up when we put the DVD in. Well, that should have opened the CD. Let's go take a look at why that did it. I think it's because the CD was built in to have, when it auto-run, to have, I'm going to go ahead and stop. Panel, control panel, sound. Oh, so under enhanced DVDs, we should have run the DVD like that. Let's try it one more time, because this one had other features added to it. I'm going to go ahead and click out of it again. Let's go ahead and eject that, and let's see if that helps that video. See if it automatically pulls up the movie. Yep, there we go. Because that had enhanced features, they wanted to try something else. Okay, well, that DVD has some problems, but you get the point. It opened up the video. Alright, well, in today's video we looked at the control panel, and we looked at how the computer shows up in the device and printers, which is not showing it very well right this second. And we looked at autoplay and how we can have the CDs be autoplay and DVDs. We can have pictures come up automatically, different software games, what happens with blank CDs are added, Blu-rays, and so on and so forth. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much.